Shifting focus to another piece of breaking news now coming in. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the first time on Monday reacted to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal receiving endorsements from Pakistan, and in fact said that this is a matter of grave concern that requires quote-unquote thorough investigation. He has said, and I'm going to quote a few of the lines of what Prime Minister actually said. He said that, "I don't understand why some selected group of people, apparently those who harbor animosity against us, get endorsements from Pakistan. Why voices of support emanate from there for certain individuals?" So this is a grave matter of concern and calls for an investigation as well. Now, while emphasizing that it is a matter of concern, Prime Minister Modi also said that Indian voter is quote-unquote mature and statements from across the borders are not going to affect elections in India. Let's listen into what Prime Minister actually said there.
देखिए, चुनाव भारत का है और भारत का लोकतंत्र बहुत ही मैच्योर्ड है, तंदुरुस्त परंपराएं हैं और भारत के मतदाता भी बाहर की किसी भी हरकतों से प्रभावित होने वाले मतदाता नहीं है। मैं नहीं जानता हूं कि कुछ ही लोग हैं जिनको हमारे साथ दुश्मनी रखने वाले लोग क्यों पसंद करते हैं, कुछ ही लोग हैं जिनके समर्थन में आवाज़ वहाँ से क्यों उठती है। अब ये बहुत बड़ी जांच पड़ताल का या गंभीर विषय है और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि मुझे जिस पद पर मैं बैठा हूँ वहाँ से ऐसे विषयों पर कोई कमेंट करनी चाहिए, लेकिन आपकी चिंता मैं समझ सकता हूँ।
We have CNN News 18's Aman Sharma joining us on the broadcast. Aman, a very good morning to you. Certainly, this is a dig coming in from the Prime Minister over the video that was shared by Pakistan's Fawad Chaudhry, I believe. But a comment has already come in from Arvind Kejriwal when he sort of showed support towards Aam Aadmi Party, to which Arvind Kejriwal actually responded that this is our personal matters. You should be focusing on yours because your country's condition is not very well.
Oh, well, yes, this ostensible support, I would say, for Congress's Rahul Gandhi and for Arvind Kejriwal from the former Pakistan Minister, Chaudhry Fawad Hussain, is drawing now a sharp response from the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister in this interview has said that it's a very serious matter. There should be maybe an investigation over it. He didn't want to comment more over it, but the Prime Minister is very clearly saying that, he doesn't know why those who have enmity with India, why they are liking a few people in India, why voices of support are being raised in the favor of such people by this Pakistani minister. But the Prime Minister also said that the Indian voter is mature, and statements from across the border will not affect our elections in any way. That Indian democracy, Indian elections are the voter is very mature. Mr. Chaudhry, as we all know, has been a minister in the former Prime Minister Imran Khan's cabinet of Pakistan. And he had also given a thumbs up, in fact, to when Mr. Kejriwal got an interim bail from the Supreme Court. And you're right that Mr. Kejriwal had responded back saying he did not need Mr. Hussein's support in any way and that Mr. Hussain should handle his own country. But now it's coming from the Prime Minister directly calling for an investigation. Obviously, the matter becomes far more serious.
Right, Aman. Also, Prime Minister Modi made an eyebrow-raising comment about a middleman, perhaps targeting the Rajiv Gandhi government back then. Could you just highlight that point as well?
Well, the Prime Minister has been repeatedly saying that Mr. Rajiv Gandhi himself had, admitted that money which starts from Delhi, if 1 rupee starts from Delhi, only 15 paisa reaches the person on the ground. So the Prime Minister has been constantly raising this comment to say that how in the previous UPA government or the Congress government, there were always middlemen who used to take away this money which was meant for the common man, and how under the Modi government, this new direct benefit transfer scheme has been started under money is directly going to the accounts of people, crores of people in the country without any cuts. So the Prime Minister is saying that this Labharthi model, which his government brought, the DBT mechanism, the Jan Dhan mobile jam 20, has actually removed corruption from such transactions in the country where people are now directly receiving the full money that the centre sends to them.
Right. Aman, would request you to please stay with us because joining us on the broadcast is BJP's Mr. RP Singh ji. Thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18, sir. Would like your comment on this Pakistan support towards Rahul Gandhi and Aam Aadmi Party's statement that has been made by Prime Minister Modi, because it has attracted a massive row now. Mr. RP Singh, can you hear me? All right. I think there's some network issue. While we get a stable connection with RP Singh ji, we'll toss back towards Aman, who continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Aman, so it was a brief conversation that Prime Minister had there. Could you just bring us more highlights from the conversation he had there, apart from, you know, the middleman politics as well as Pakistan giving out support to Rahul Gandhi as well as Aam Aadmi Party?
Essentially speaking about his performance record in the last 5 years, how corruption has been removed from the country. He's made also other points, major points here, that how India wants to cement its leadership in the global arena, and the next 5 years what will be the agenda of the government while going ahead. If Mr. Modi gets a third term, and Mr. Modi of course has been pressing for a big victory. This time he has also spoken about how the drive against corruption will only further intensify in his next term, and how the crackdown will continue and the agencies will continue to do their job. He also took a jibe at how Rahul Gandhi has spoken about removing poverty in just one stroke in India, and how the Prime Minister spoke about that what his government has done in the last 5 years to bring people out of multidimensional property. And he also spoke about various other innovative schemes that the government has brought, like Digital India and Make in India, and how the opposition has always made fun of these schemes, but the people on the ground are appreciating it, and that is why the government is set for a historic verdict in these elections.
Right, Aman. Thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial details about Prime Minister's frontal attack at Rahul Gandhi and Aam Aadmi Party for getting endorsements from our neighborhood.